Hello, explorers, and welcome back. It looks like a cloudy day outside today.
It sure is, Dr. Owl. It looks like the sky is full of big, fluffy cotton balls that might bring some rain. Oh my goodness.
New language detected. Emma is speaking in Hicklish. Does hick mean fluffy? Does hick mean rain? Zoop, I must learn this secret code.
Ho ho ho! I don't think it's a secret code, Ziggy. Emma just has a classic case of the hiccups. Here, Emma, try taking a slow, steady sip of this water.
Phew! It worked! They're gone! But that was so weird. Why do we even get hiccups, Dr. Owl?
Hoot hoot! Hello, curious minds. You're listening to STEM with Dr. Owl, where big questions turn into fun adventures.
Hi, I'm Emma, always full of questions and ready to explore.
Ziggy here. I know a zillion facts and 0 ways to share cookies.
If you like our show, please share with a friend, a teacher, or your whole class.
Oh, your neighbor's cat.
Ho ho, Emma, you are wondering why do we even get hiccups? That is a fantastic question, and the answer is all about a super special bouncy muscle hiding inside you.
A bouncy muscle? Like a trampoline?
Exactly like a trampoline. It's a big, dome-shaped muscle under your lungs, and it helps you breathe. When you breathe in, this muscle trampoline flattens out to pull air in. When you breathe out, it bounces back up to push the air out. A hiccup is just your muscle trampoline doing a surprise jump.
A surprise jump. A muscle party. Does it play bouncy music? Bleep bloop boogie.
It's like a little party, but the hic sound comes from something else. When your muscle jumps, it pulls air in super fast. To stop that sudden rush, a little door in your throat where your voice comes from snaps shut. Snap! That quick snap is what makes the hic sound.
So my muscle does a surprise jump, and a little door in my throat snaps shut. But why does the surprise jump happen?
Great question. Think of it like this. What kind of things might surprise your breathing muscle? I'll give you a fun guessing game. Which of these is most likely to give you hiccups? Is it A, brushing your teeth? B, drinking a big fizzy soda really fast? Or C, petting a soft kitten?
Ooh, I know. Drinking a fizzy soda really fast. The bubbles always tickle my nose and my tummy.
My circuits agree with Emma. B is the logical choice. The fizz creates system interference. My calculations also show that petting a kitten is 100% unlikely to cause system failure. It only causes perfection.
You're both right. Things like eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting super excited can send a mixed-up message to your bouncy muscle. It's like a messenger from your brain gets a little confused on the way and accidentally tells your muscle to jump.
A mixed-up messenger? That's so silly. So, is it just human messengers that get mixed up? Or do animals get hiccups too?
I love where your curiosity is taking you, Emma. Let's ask our explorers a question. True or false? Only people get hiccups. What do you think, Ziggy?
True, obviously. Robots like me do not hiccup. We only glitch. Therefore, hiccups must be a human-only feature.
That's a good guess, Ziggy, but it's actually false. Lots of other animals get hiccups. Kittens and puppies get them all the time. Even horses and squirrels can hiccup. And here's the most amazing fact. Babies hiccup even before they are born.
In their mom's tummy? How? Why?
Scientists think it's like practice. They're getting their little breathing trampolines strong and ready for the outside world. And for the coolest secret of all, some scientists think hiccups are a leftover trick from our ancestors from millions of years ago, who had gills and lived in the water, like fish.
We came from fish? So a hiccup is like my body remembering how to be a fish for a second? And that's why drinking water helped me stop?
That's a wonderful way to connect the ideas, Emma. And it's important to remember that these amazing ideas, like the one about our fishy ancestors, are what scientists call theories. A theory is like the best possible guess based on all the clues we have, but scientists are still looking for more puzzle pieces to prove it for sure. It's an exciting mystery that's still being solved.
And we are very lucky our hiccups usually stop so easily, which brings me to a truly mind-boggling fun fact question. What is the longest time anyone has ever had hiccups? Do you think it is A, 68 minutes, B, 68 days, or C, 68 years?
Wow, 68 days sounds impossible, so I'll guess that one.
68 years. Bist pop fizz. Does not compute. My circuits would melt. I choose A. 68 minutes. That is already 67 minutes too long.
You'll both be amazed to learn the answer is C. A man named Charles Osborne holds the world record for the longest case of hiccups. He had them for 68 years.
68 years? Oh my goodness. I'm so glad my hiccups are gone.
Me too. So when you do something simple, like sipping water or holding your breath, you're helping that mixed-up messenger calm down and reset. You're sending a new, clear message that says, okay, everything's back to normal. No more surprise jumps.
My official robot hiccup cure is to spin around 3 times and shout, beep, boop, beep. It has a 0% success rate, but it is 100% fun. Beep, boop, beep.
I think we'll stick with sipping water for now, Ziggy. So, explorers, next time you feel that hic, just remember it's your amazing breathing trampoline doing a surprise jump, a silly ancient reflex that connects you to kittens, puppies, and even your fishy ancestors.
Thanks, Dr. Owl. That was science-tastic.
That's the spirit of discovery. Keep asking questions and keep exploring. Until next time.
That was so much fun, Dr. Owl. I hope all our explorers had a great time too.
Hoot hoot! We loved having you with us. If you don't want to miss our next adventure, follow us on your favorite podcast platform.
And if you know a friend who loves exploring too, share our podcast with them.
If you have a question or a topic you want to learn more about, leave us a comment. See you next time.